If you want to position yourself as an expert in your niche, publishing an ebook is one of the fastest ways to do it. But for most people, writing and designing a book from scratch is what stops them from ever starting. That's why EbookWriter AI is such a game changer. With EbookWriter AI, you don't have to be a writer or designer. You simply enter your topic or area of expertise, and the AI instantly generates a complete, professional ebook with chapters, clear structure, and a clean layout that's ready for publishing. You can refine content, adjust the tone to match your audience, and even generate a custom cover that fits your brand. Once you're happy about it, you can upload it directly to Amazon KDP, and within minutes, you'll have a published ebook available to readers worldwide. Publishing on Amazon doesn't just give you visibility, it builds credibility. It shows your audience that you're serious, knowledgeable, and trustworthy in your field. And thanks to EbookWriter AI, you can do all of this without spending weeks writing and designing. Ready to become a published author and build authority in your niche? Click the link in the description and start creating with EbookWriter AI today.